The 1936 Proof Buffalo nickel is one of the most breathtaking and valuable nickels ever created. Not because of its age, and not even because of its design, but because of its impossible rarity and jaw-dropping mirror finish that collectors chase with absolute obsession. This one small coin, struck nearly a century ago, can sell for thousands, even tens of thousands, depending on its condition. And the story behind it is even more incredible. When 1936 began, the Buffalo nickel had already been in circulation for more than 2 decades. But something changed that year. For the first time since 1916, the U.S. Mint revived the idea of producing proof coins for collectors. These weren't ordinary coins made for everyday pocket change. They were masterpieces. Each 1936 Proof Buffalo nickel was struck using specially polished dies on highly prepared planchets, often struck more than once to bring out exceptional detail. A nickel with a deep, mirror-like shine, sharp rims, and crisp features that almost glow under the light. On the obverse, the Native American portrait appears with dramatic precision, and on the reverse, the iconic American buffalo stands out with a level of clarity that normal circulation coins simply cannot match. But here's where the rarity becomes astonishing. Only 4,420 Proof Buffalo nickels were minted in 1936, a tiny number when compared to the millions of regular circulation coins. These coins were sold directly to collectors at the time, but not everyone who purchased one stored it carefully. Over the decades, many were mishandled, scratched, polished, or simply lost to time. Today, high-grade examples, especially those with perfectly clean mirror surfaces, are incredibly difficult to find. Professional grading companies like PCGS and NGC have recorded only a limited number of high-end, flawless specimens. And when those top-tier examples hit the auction block, the price can skyrocket. Some have sold for $20,000, $30,000, and even more, depending on the strike quality and eye appeal. Another interesting detail is that the 1936 Proof Buffalo nickel comes in 2 types: brilliant proofs, known for their bright mirrored surfaces, satin proofs, which have a softer, matte-like finish. Both are rare, but the brilliant proofs often bring the highest premiums because of their dramatic shine. Collectors love this coin because it represents a turning point, the return of U.S. proof coinage after a long pause. It also captures the Buffalo nickel at its artistic peak, just 1 year before the series ended in 1938. The 1936 proof is more than a coin. It's a piece of American numismatic history that shows what the mint was capable of when aiming for perfection. So next time you're looking through a collection, a coin shop, or even an old family box of coins, pay close attention to any Buffalo nickel that looks unusually sharp or reflective. You might be looking at a 1936 proof worth a small fortune. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy learning about rare coins, valuable collectibles, and hidden treasures from U.S. coin history, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Your next great discovery might be just one coin away.